So a few days back we saw the display panel and metal mock-up of the Apple iPhone 14 series, and now comes the hands-on video and some images of the iPhone 14 Pro Max plastic model. So it may look similar to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but there are tons of small changes. So a small notch versus I-shaped hole, slight thinner bezel in the iPhone 14 Pro Max with slight tall display versus a thick bezel in the 13 Pro Max. So a small changes. The main change to notice is device frame curve now matches the curve of camera module. Here the iPhone 13 series had uneven curve, but that is fixed with the iPhone 14 finally. So that is the final design.
This isn't just an upgrade, it's a breakthrough.
Shocking news coming in. EU may force Apple to allow users to install third-party applications outside App Store. Yeah, this may make your iPhone less secure, but the idea behind this move is developers can promote and share their application file outside App Store. Yeah, I guess we'll see many exciting apps like launchers, game customization apps, something which Apple want to block from App Store. But again, you may end up installing a virus, so make sure to keep that in mind. This effect may come as early as next year, so I guess iOS 16.x may have some of these changes in the future.
That's just incredible.
Now Apple is all set to launch exciting new devices and software on June 6. This includes iOS 16, which will have some interface changes like new wallpaper settings, some privacy features and new widgets. Then there is iPadOS coming with new multitasking menu, watchOS 9 with new cool faces and an ultra power saving mode, something I wish we had in Samsung or OnePlus Watch. The highlight of this show will be MacBook Air with M2 chip inside. Here we have seen the CAD images of colorful MacBook Air with a notch. The screen size is gonna be 13.6 inch and finally 1080p front facing selfie shooter. This all guys, latest Apple news. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.